Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. 88 Rotors here today with another video of two different Toyota Tacomas. Both are getting Fox setups. They're going with the 2.0 IFP front coilovers, and then the rears are going to be the 2.0 IFP shocks, and we're going to be doing an 88 Rotors leaf system.
You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again.
Next up is this white third generation Tacoma. This one's also getting the Fox setup that we talked about and some new wheels and tires.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change.
Here, our tech is installing the leaf system.
They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to flame.
As the wheels come off of the white one, the front end suspension is coming off of the MGM one.
You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Something's never changed.
Here you can see that our tech is installing the front coilovers.
Redemption.
With this shot right here, you can see that the leaf has been added to the leaf pack. Here's another look of the front suspension on the white one before we remove it. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're interested in getting some work done by us, please give us a call or shoot us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. All of our detailed contact information can be found in the description below. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the Method MR312s in a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We're wrapping it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich KL2 tire. Here's another look at the leaf already installed onto the vehicle. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our daily videos. To maximize the performance of the front-end coilover system, we also installed an Icon tubular uniball upper control arm. Here, our tech is trimming the retaining bolt on the leaf pack.
Think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars.
This one's ready to be pulled out for a quick test drive and then to be delivered to the customer.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you will break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. We'll get back to every single one of them as soon as we can.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break.
Before we wrap it up for today's video, here's a sneak peek of tomorrow's video. We're going to be working on this Inferno 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma that you see right here. Make sure you turn on the notification bell after you subscribe to us. That way you'll be notified tomorrow when this video posts. Thanks for viewing, guys. Hope you tune in tomorrow.